Hello children, how are you? I hope you are safe at your home. In previous video, we learned about the concept of small and big. Today we will be seeing a new and interesting topic, interesting subject, behind and in front of. Behind and in front of. These are the words which we use our day-to-day lives. We use these words in our school, at our home, shops, etc. So now we will learn about these words behind and in front of. So let's start. So children, let's start. What is the spelling of behind? B-E-H-I-N-D. Behind means पीछे. Behind means पीछे. And what is the spelling of in front of? I-N-F-R-O-N-T-O-F. In front of. In front of. In front of means आगे. In front of means आगे. I have drawn some pictures to clear your concept behind and in front of. Okay? So let's start. Look at these pictures carefully. In this picture, this boy is behind the curtain. In this picture, this boy is behind the curtain. ये जो पिक्चर में जो बॉय है ये कर्टन के पीछे है. And this boy is in front of the curtain. This boy is in front of the curtain. ये जो बॉय है ये कर्टन के आगे है. This boy is behind the curtain and this boy is in front of the curtain. Okay? So children, look at the next picture. In this picture, this girl is behind the stump. This girl is behind the stump. ये जो गर्ल है ये स्टम्प के पीछे है. This girl is behind the stump and this girl is in front of the stump. This girl is in front of the stump. ये जो गर्ल है ये स्टम्प के सामने है और ये जो गर्ल है ये स्टम्प के पीछे है. So this girl is behind the stump and this girl is in front of the stump. Behind and in front of. So children, behind means पीछे and in front of means आगे. So children, to clear your concept in more better way, I will show you some pictures on the screen. So students, look at this picture carefully. This dog is behind the kennel. This dog is behind the kennel. ये जो dog है ये kennel के पीछे बैठा है. And this dog is in front of the kennel. This dog is in front of the kennel. ये जो dog है ये kennel के आगे है. Behind and in front of. Next picture में हम देखेंगे. Okay, look at this picture carefully. In this picture, this monkey is behind the tree and this monkey is in front of the tree. ये जो monkey है tree के पीछे है और ये जो monkey है ये tree के आगे है. Behind and in front of. Next picture. Okay, look at this picture. In this picture, this boy is in front of the umbrella. And in this picture, this boy is behind the umbrella. In front of, behind. In front of and behind. Next picture. In this picture, this rat is behind the apple. And in this picture, this rat is in front of the cheese. This rat is in front of the cheese. Behind and in front of. Next picture. Look at this picture. In this picture, this horse is in front of the house. and in this picture this horse is behind the house. In front of, behind. Next picture. Look at this picture carefully. This bear is in front of the house and this bear is behind the tree. ये जो बियर है ये हाउस के आगे खड़ा है और ये जो बियर है ये ट्री के पीछे है. In front of and behind. Next picture. In this picture, this boy is behind the tree and this girl is in front of the tree. ये जो बॉय है ये ट्री के पीछे है और ये जो गर्ल है ये ट्री के आगे है. Behind and in front of. Next picture. Look at this picture. This girl is behind the curtain and this boy is in front of the curtain. Behind and in front of. Next picture. This boy is in front of the bench and this boy is behind the bench. In front of and behind. Next picture. This rat is in front of the banana and this rat is behind the banana. In front of, behind. So students, I hope your concept was clear through this video. Bye.